the media. Hi, this is Ken Willis. This is NASCAR Media Day. This is the Daytona 500 Club, host of NASCAR Media Day. This is the 18th version. First one was in 2000. Some 360 credentials were passed out this year for Media Day. If you're a full-time driver in NASCAR's Cup Series, Xfinity, or Truck Series, you're here today talking to these folks in some form or fashion. Some guys draw bigger crowds than others, but they're all here, and there's somebody talking to somebody everywhere you look. Tomorrow, all the talking stops when the 150-mile qualifying races to set the field for the Daytona 500 are run here, outside here, Daytona International Speedway. Tomorrow, 2 drivers will end up there, and they'll be very happy.